Satoshi Nakamoto, prophet of cryptocurrencies? With each passing year, Satoshi seems more like a prophet than just a genius. In case this name is new to you, Satoshi Nakamoto is the pseudonym of the enigmatic creator of Bitcoin, BTC, launched in 2008. His true identity remains a mystery, but his creation becomes increasingly valuable and influential as time passes, revolutionizing the concept of money and financial transactions. Currently, a unit of Bitcoin costs approximately $64,000, a figure that highlights its significant value in the global financial market. However, predictions from many experts indicate that this appreciation is far from reaching its peak. Cryptocurrency market analysts project that, by the end of the year, the price of Bitcoin could reach the impressive mark of $100,000, the equivalent of $554,000 in the current exchange rate of the North American currency. This forecast is not just speculation, but rather an analysis based on market trends and imminent economic events. Valter Rebelo, economist trained at the renowned INSPIR and cryptocurrency specialist at Empiricus, is one of the proponents of this optimistic vision. He identifies several catalysts that could drive this appreciation. Among them, the recent Bitcoin halving stands out, an event that occurs every 4 years, halving the reward for mining blocks, thus decreasing the supply of new Bitcoins. This controlled scarcity mechanism is fundamental to the appreciation of cryptocurrency. Additionally, the introduction of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, exchange-traded funds, into the traditional financial market is seen as a significant milestone. These financial instruments allow traditional investors to access the cryptocurrencies in an easier and safer way, increasing demand and, consequently, the value of these digital assets. Another crucial factor pointed out by Rebelo is the expected interest rate cut cycle in the United States, scheduled to begin in September. Reducing interest rates tends to encourage investments in alternative assets, such as cryptocurrencies, which offer potentially higher returns in an interest rate environment. These elements combined create an economic environment conducive to the appreciation of Bitcoin, making it not just a genius invention, but a true financial prophecy in times of global uncertainty. Bitcoin, creation and economic impact. Rebelo also wrote the phrase about Satoshi Nakamoto that opens this text. The reason for the nickname genius is obvious. After all, Satoshi created the precursor of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, which went from $0 to 03 to thousands of dollars in just 14 years. This meteoric growth is almost unheard of in the financial world, highlighting Bitcoin's uniqueness and transformative impact. Bitcoin's exponential appreciation from cents to thousands of dollars demonstrates not only its resilience as a financial asset, but also its ability to capture the imagination and investments of millions around the world. Few, if any, assets have achieved such extraordinary performance in such a short space of time, underlining Satoshi Nakamoto's innovative vision. But there are reasons why Rebelo believes that Satoshi can also be considered a prophet. He argues that Bitcoin was created to address the contemporary challenges facing the world today. We live in times of geopolitical tension and ideological divisions, inflation and sovereign debt, the emergence of AI and the slowdown in productivity, distrust in institutions and consensus. A scenario Bitcoin was made for. This prophetic vision of Satoshi Nakamoto, according to Rebelo, is what makes Bitcoin not only a genius in terms of technological innovation, but also a prescient solution to modern global problems. Bitcoin's ability to operate independently of traditional financial institutions, its resistance to censorship, and its decentralized nature make it a safe haven in times of crisis and uncertainty. According to The Economist, all these factors contribute to the estimate that BTC which has already appreciated 64% in the first half of this year, generate an even more significant profit for your investors in the coming months. The deflationary nature of Bitcoin, coupled with growing institutional adoption and increasing global acceptance, creates an environment where growth in Bitcoin's value seems not just possible, but likely. Rebelo highlights that the current geopolitical tension, marked by conflicts and economic uncertainties, favors assets that offer security and stability outside the conventional financial system. Bitcoin, with its limited supply and decentralization, positions itself as a strategic asset in times of inflation, growing distrust in government and financial institutions. In short, the creation of Bitcoin by Satoshi Nakamoto not only revolutionized the financial market, but it also anticipated and adapted to the economic and social challenges of the 21st century. Political influence on the cryptocurrency market. The possible election of Donald Trump is another factor that has emerged as a potential catalyst for the largest cryptocurrency in the world. Donald Trump is the candidate who is standing out in the electoral race for the presidency of the United States. We are not going to go into political, historical, or social merits here, just bringing the expert's opinion on this possible election for the cryptocurrency scene. According to Valter Rebelo, Trump is already seen as the ideal president for the crypto market. He promises a robust plan to reduce bureaucracy in the sector, tax incentives, and speedy approval of laws that create security legal for companies and workers in the area. These proposals include reducing regulatory barriers that currently make it difficult for startups and cryptocurrency companies to operate, in addition to offering tax incentives that could attract significant investments to the sector. Trump has already demonstrated, in speeches and interviews, a pragmatic approach to technological innovation and the financial sector. He has highlighted the importance of keeping the United States at the forefront of technological innovation, which includes a friendly regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. This position contrasts with the more restrictive policies of other politicians, and this has generated optimism among investors and investment enthusiasts. Cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, Trump's chosen vice president, J.D. Vance, also corroborates optimism in the cryptocurrency market. J.D. Vance brings significant experience with crypto venture capital and is a Bitcoin investor in his personal portfolio. Political analysts consider him a strategic choice that would ensure the continuity of Trump's vision, even in the event of future adversities. Rebelo refers to it as anti-shot insurance, highlighting its ability to guarantee stability and continued support for the cryptocurrency sector. The combination of these promising political figures creates a favorable environment for the growth and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Under an administration that promotes debureaucratization and tax incentives, the cryptocurrency market could experience a period of significant growth. The implementation of policies that facilitate the operation of cryptocurrency companies and offer greater legal security can attract institutional investors and encourage innovation in the sector. Rebelo believes that, with the Trump administration, the regulatory barriers that currently prevent the full development of cryptocurrencies could be significantly reduced. This would not only increase investor confidence, but it could also drive the creation of new blockchain-based financial products, expanding the market even further. In short, the possible election of Donald Trump, together with the strategic choice of J.D. Vance as vice president, creates an optimistic scenario for the future of cryptocurrencies. The proposals for reducing bureaucracy, tax incentives, and greater legal security have the potential to transform the cryptocurrency market, making it more accessible and attractive to investors of all profiles. Opportunities in low-cost cryptocurrencies. More than just Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies are much cheaper than BTC, which today cost pennies on the dollar, have the potential to reach even deeper valuations in this bull cycle. This is the case with what happened with AXS in 2021. To better illustrate the potential we are facing, I bring here the example of Axie Infinity, AXS. This was a cryptocurrency that, as of January 2021, cost less than $1. However, in that bull market, the token achieved an impressive 24,000% appreciation in just 10 months. In October, Access was already trading at around $150. The story of Axie Infinity is a striking example of how the cryptocurrency market can offer extraordinary return opportunities. The Axie Infinity project is a blockchain-based game that combines elements of gaming and decentralized finance, DeFi. Players buy, breed, and battle digital creatures called Axies. The game's popularity skyrocketed in 2021, attracting a large user base and investors, which resulted in an explosion in the value of its token. And do you know who made the recommendation to buy this cryptocurrency on January 16, 2021? The Empiricus Cryptoactive team, currently led by Valter Rebelo. This recommendation was based on an in-depth analysis of the project's fundamentals, its growth prospects, and the market adoption trend. In other words, whoever followed the team's recommendation and maintained the contribution during the 10 months, he was able to experience an explosive appreciation, enough to make an investment of just $3,500 make him a millionaire. In just 10 months. This example highlights the potential for low-cost cryptocurrencies to provide significant returns. However, it is important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies also involves risks. The market is highly volatile and can undergo large fluctuations in value in short periods. Therefore, it is essential to carry out careful analysis and consider investment diversification. Emerging cryptocurrencies, like Axie Infinity was in 2021, offer a unique opportunity for investors who seek high returns in a growing market. Projects with solid fundamentals, technological innovations, and a strong support community tend to stand out and attract significant investments. The Empiricus team, led by Valter Rebelo, continues to monitor the market closely, seeking to identify the next big opportunities that can transform small investments into big fortunes. Therefore, for investors who are aware of trends and willing to take calculated risks, low-cost cryptocurrencies can be a gateway to extraordinary gains. The case of Axie Infinity is just one example among many, and the cryptocurrency market is full of projects promising ideas waiting to be discovered. Exclusive list of cryptocurrencies with potential. Of course, past earnings, like those achieved with AXS, are no guarantee of future profits. However, one thing is certain. Valter Rebelo and his team at Empiricus have repeatedly proven that they have the competence necessary to identify the crypto assets with the greatest potential on the market. They are experts at finding those coins, digital ones that cost $1, $2, or even cents, and which can reach hundreds of dollars per unit in a short space of time, just a matter of months. And now, Rebelo already has his bets on which digital assets have the potential to turn Brazilians into millionaires by the end of 2025. With their experience and in-depth knowledge of the cryptocurrency market, Rebelo and his team are confident in their ability to select the right assets that can provide extraordinary returns to investors. Cheap cryptocurrencies that can transform your life. Are we living in the perfect scenario for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? According to Valter Rebelo, yes. He believes that we are at an ideal time to see explosive valuations in the cryptocurrency market. However, not just any cryptocurrency. After all, there are more than 20,000 digital assets available on the market today. Not all of them will revenge and reach high values in a short time, as happened with AXS. But the economist and his team have already identified the cryptocurrencies that have the greatest potential to take off in this bull market. This exclusive list of cryptocurrencies contains just a few hand-selected by the Empiricus team. The selection is based on solid fundamentals and connection with increasingly hot topics, such as artificial intelligence, which has shown a significant impact on various industries. These cryptocurrencies were chosen not only for their affordable price, but also for their prospects for growth and market adoption. Rebelo is confident that these cryptocurrencies have the potential to create 1,000 new Brazilian millionaires within 14 months. To achieve this goal, you will only need to invest in this exclusive list of digital assets selected by the team. They have a proven track record of identifying high-potential investment opportunities and are now ready to share their findings with investors who are ready to take advantage of this new wave growth in the cryptocurrency market. Investing in low-cost cryptocurrencies can be a highly profitable strategy, especially when these coins are chosen based on in-depth analysis and expert insights. With the knowledge and experience of Rebelo and his team, investors have an excellent opportunity to earn significant returns by following his recommendations. How to access the exclusive list? To gain access to this exclusive list, all you need to do is sign up for free at the link below in the first comments. Detailed information about the selected cryptocurrencies will be sent to your email in less than a minute. Don't miss the chance to invest in these opportunities and potentially transform your financial life in a short period of time. Valter Rebelo and his team are ready to guide you on the path to becoming one of the new millionaires in the cryptocurrency market. Invest with confidence and prepare to take advantage of the opportunities that this unique economic scenario offers. Cheap cryptocurrencies that can transform your life. Are we living in the perfect scenario for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? See which ones you should buy now, before the explosion. As already mentioned, Valter Rebelo believes that we are living in an ideal time to observe explosive valuations in the cryptocurrency market. However, not just any cryptocurrency has this potential. After all, there are more than 20,000 digital assets on the market today, and not all of them will revenge and reach high values in a short time, as happened with Axie Infinity, AXS. But the economist and his team have already identified those cryptocurrencies that have the greatest potential to take off in this bull market. This exclusive list contains few cryptocurrencies, hand-selected by the team due to their strong fundamentals and connection to themes increasingly high, such as artificial intelligence. The importance of solid fundamentals cannot be underestimated, as it ensures that assets have an intrinsic value that goes beyond of market speculation. Furthermore, the connection to emerging themes, such as artificial intelligence, adds an extra layer of upside potential. AI is revolutionizing several industries, and cryptocurrencies that position themselves in this sector have a significant competitive advantage. The potential of these cryptocurrencies is so great that Rebelo is confident in an ambitious goal: create 1,000 new Brazilian millionaires with cryptocurrencies in up to 14 months. And to do so, you just need to invest in this exclusive list of digital assets selected by the team. Profit potential and risks. As I mentioned earlier, these are really affordable assets. Some of them cost just pennies. However, with an initial contribution of just 1,000 reais, any Brazilian who buys them now will be able to reach the $1 million by the end of 2025. It is a unique opportunity to transform a small investment into a substantial fortune. However, it is crucial to remember that this investment includes risks. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and while the potential for high returns is real, there is also the possibility of losses. However, think. Whoever took the chance with access took advantage. Now, you have a new opportunity to invest just 1,000 reais in these cryptocurrencies, with the possibility of making new applications throughout the period, and becoming a millionaire in just over a year. How to access the exclusive list. To gain access to this exclusive list, all you need to do is pre-register for free at the link below, in the first comments. The remaining information will be sent to your email in less than a minute. Investing in low-cost cryptocurrencies can be a transformative strategy, especially when these coins are chosen based on a meticulous and in-depth analysis, such as that conducted by Valter Rebelo's team. The combination of solid fundamentals and connection with themes of high economic relevance ensures that these assets have a high growth potential. By following the recommendations from this exclusive list, you are not just investing in cryptocurrencies, but also in a more prosperous financial future. Take this opportunity to be at the forefront of the next big movement in the cryptocurrency market and potentially transform your financial life forever.